Hi everyone, I'm Agnieszka from Publitas Customer Success Team. In this video, we'll cover how to use our Page Manager feature available on enterprise plans. This feature is very helpful when making edits to an uploaded PDF file, such as adding, removing, or replacing pages. Let's see it in practice. There are two ways to access the Page Manager feature. The first one from the main view, next to the Edit button. The other one is available directly in the editor. Once in Page Manager, I can start making my changes. We start off by uploading a PDF file. To add a page, place it where needed. You can also upload a PDF with multiple pages and only use one or a selection of them. However, it will be faster to work with a PDF containing only the pages you need. You can also replace pages. When replacing a page, all its hotspots remain intact. To remove a page, click on it and then click the trash icon. If you want to change the page's order, just drag and drop a page in the desired section of the PDF. Once you are done with your edits, always remember to click the Save and Finish button. When saving, you have the option to add link hotspots for any URLs recognized on the added pages. In Page Manager, you can also change the page layout from a single page to a booklet and vice versa. Page Manager is a really versatile feature. Adding additional pages to your PDF is a great way to free up space for rich media assets, such as a full-page slideshow or a video, which at times may be difficult when you work with a print-first design. If you need additional information, helpful articles from our knowledge base are linked down below. Thank you for watching, happy publishing, and see you in the next one.